So, what skills I think people will gain by attending this training is a really great understanding of where dance and digital can come together and how your dance practice can be expanded and developed with digital tools. Alongside this, they're going to learn some of the practicalities of working and collaborating with other creative technologists or digital technologists. And they're going to come away with a really wonderful and hopefully inspired feeling to work and to experiment into this new space.
I think for me, coming from South Asian dance background, also having been almost made myself vulnerable in putting myself out there in this digital sector, be it through Sampad's Interactivos, that was in 2014, or the intensive 3-week placement intensive that I was chosen to do by Sampad in Madrid, or in my most recent Quest Lab with Studio Wayne McGregor. I've always found that I've been a loner coming from South Asian dance background, and it's always made me think, how can these two worlds come together? For me, being part of Progati is all about sharing the knowledge that I have gained by being part of these various residencies, wherein the world of South Asian dance and creative technology have collided, have bombarded, but sometimes they've also sort of co-worked, co-weaved together. It's all about sharing those knowledge and making it interesting and exciting for the participants so they can go home taking away more triggers and more exciting points to start off their practice from.